this video, we're going to be replacing an outlet in our RV. We're replacing it in the slide of our 2014 Solitude 369 RL. This probably will work in just about any other RV. If you have any experience with the outlets in RVs, you know that they're kind of cheaply made. They're just not very good quality. The reason for this particular replacement is our fireplace had gone out, and when we unplugged it, we noticed that the outlet was melted a little bit along with the plug from the fireplace. Well, just for safety reasons, I wanted to replace it. And for whatever reason, the outlet that they used on the wall here is one that's meant to go inside the wall. It's got the little clips on the back, and it's meant to cinch down to the wall. But for whatever reason, they installed it on the outside. So I don't know if that was factory or what, but I hope it wouldn't be factory, but just very odd. So I went to Home Depot, picked up a on the wall mount outlet box. I picked up an all metal one. My thinking on this was that it would be just a little more protective if there was a fire inside the box, that it's inside a metal box, and hopefully we'd keep it contained in there and we would smell it before it actually became an issue. So we're going to do that install, quick, easy install. So check it out. Let me know what you guys think. Leave me a comment. Find us on any of the social media outlets, guys. We're on there at the Camper House. We love to interact with everybody. So I hope you enjoy the video, and hopefully it helps you guys out. Okay, so here's the part of the fireplace. Is the outlet that the fireplace plugs into. Still haven't settled on a fireplace option yet. We're still doing a little research on that. But I wanted to go ahead and get this outlet replaced. I went to Home Depot, picked up this on the wall outlet kit. It's a metal box. I felt a little more comfortable with it just in case there was ever an issue, that it's kind of a little bit more contained inside the metal box. And so yeah, this was, I don't know, $8-9 at Home Depot. It's meant to mount on the exterior of the wall, just like the one that is in there is mounted. So we're going to do that. First, we need to get the power shut off. I got this basic little AC voltage detector. Very simple. You hold it up to the outlet, and if it beeps, it's still on. So I'll show you that real quick, and then we'll figure out which breaker it's on. Alright, here we go. Let's see if it's still on. I haven't shut anything off yet. So that means the power's still on. So I'm going to go check the breakers, see which one I need to flip. Alright, I found one breaker that said fireplace. Nothing. That must be the right one, so I'm going to go ahead and get that taken off, and we'll get it replaced real quick. Alright, so that's how that outlet works. I don't know if you guys can see that very well. A little different than what I've ever seen, but it looks like those connections there just kind of pierce through the plastic on the wire and make contact, and that's how they work. But get those taken off here real quick. Okay, so here's the outlet. Comes a few pieces. Got the cover, the actual outlet. This does have the push-in style, so that's nice and handy. You got the box, and then you got the backing plate. So we'll screw this backing plate onto the wall. It's got a place for your ground wire. And then on here, we're going to need to punch out this tab here so that we can run the wires up into the outlet. Okay, got the outlet wired up. I'm just gonna put it on the box there. Let's see. Adjust the light there a little bit. Grab my drill here. Working in this tight little cabinet, it's hard. There's that. And all we got left is the cover. Alright, got the new outlet installed there. A little crooked, but not any more crooked than the original one was. So I don't feel too bad. But now that one works. Here's a look at the old one. You can see where it had melted and cracked, and it was just not installed very nice. And on the back here, you can see like they would just slide the wire down in there, and it would pierce the plastic coating on the wire and make the connection that way. So not a big fan of that. Now we got a new one up in there. Like I said, it's all contained inside of a metal box. So if we ever do have an issue, hopefully it keeps it contained in there. But now we just gotta find a fireplace. Thanks for watching the video, guys. I greatly appreciate it. If you got any questions, leave me a comment. Reach out to us on any of the social media outlets at the Camper House. We're always quick to respond on there. So if you got a question or comment, please leave it, and we'll catch you guys on down the road.